Hello guys, I am Pratisha and today I am going to discuss the business studies first chapter, nature and significance of management. Let's clear the meaning of management. Management is defined as a process of planning, organizing, actuating and controlling the organization operations in order to achieve the coordination of the human and the material resources essential in the effective and the efficient attainment of the objective. Management is defined as a process, means to say it involves a series of steps. It is a continuous process. Planning means deciding in advance what is to be done, how it is to be done, by whom it is to be done. Organizing means organizing the activity of a different departments. Actuating means formulating means to say actuating the recruiting the people, है ना, right person for the right job. And controlling means comparing the actual performance with the past performance, means comparison the actual performance with the planned performance in an organization, so that we came to know there how the functioning of the organization is to be going on in order to achieve the coordination of the human and material resources. Means to say that coordination means synchronizing the activity of a different department, means to say the different individual working in the organization with a different mindset to unite the efforts of the different individual toward the common goal. And there should be a proper match between the human and the material resources, mean to say that the person who has the ability to do that work should be assigned that work only, so that it will make the perfection in the work and helps to achieve the organizational goal in a very effective and the efficient manner. Here we are discussing effective means the end result, and the efficient means the optimum utilization of the resources without less wastage of resources to get the more output, है ना, and overall objective of the organization should be achieved. I hope the meaning is clear to you all. Now come to the feature, or we can say the elements of the management. What are the elements of the management? There are the three elements of management are the process, effectiveness and efficiency. We are discussing firstly process. It involves the series of steps. We already discussed that planning, organizing, है ना, staffing, directing and controlling. And come to the effectiveness means the end result. The work should be done in time. The work should be done on time, है ना. The task you were assigned is to be done on time at whatever cost. There is no cost analysis, but there is a time bounded. But effectiveness is time bounded. The work should be given on time, should be completed on time. Efficiency means optimum utilization of resources, अचीविंग द गोल विद द मिनिमम कॉस्ट, मीन्स रिसोर्सेज का बहुत अच्छे से यूटिलाइज करना, उसका कम वेस्टेज होना, सो दैट इट विल लीड टू मोर प्रोडक्टिविटी. मीन्स वी आर analyzing here the cost effective, means cost benefit analysis. Now come to the features of management. We are discussing the later features of management. Now thank you. I hope the concept is clear to you all. What is management and what are the elements of the management? Thank you so much for watching this video.